I will say approximately 40 to 45 questions were MCQ. Okay, and the rest of the questions, that is 20 to 21 questions, non-MCQ or TITA questions. That is what has remained non-MCQ, more or less same in last 3 years, that is CAT 21, 22 and 23. It will start with verbal ability, then it goes to data interpretation, and last it goes to quantitative ability. Okay. CAT is an exam, has the tradition of being unpredictable. Let's first of all understand what is unpredictable. The breakup of the sections in terms of how many questions are MCQ and how many questions are TITA. My guess is that, approximately 1/3 of the questions will be TITA, 2/3 of the questions will be MCQ. TITA questions are without negative marking and therefore they becomes a must attempt. Now what should therefore you be ready with? With the knowledge of syllabus will be same. Another thing that will remain same is concepts and applications will remain more important than direct formula. The other thing you should be ready with is that there will be something which is unpredictable, something new, something surprising. What happened was, first thing we had a major shock, then panic, and then what I called is absolute mindless. As human beings, panicking, you cannot control it. Is okay. Remaining in panic is not. How quickly you recover from it is going to be very, very important during the exam. Last but not least, accuracy पे बिल्कुल compromise मत. So accuracy would have won the game last year. Prioritize seeing all the questions over attempting the question that you are doing right now. And 8 से 10 मिनट का विंडो लीजिए, पहला 5 क्वेश्चन देखिए, उसमें से 2 क्वेश्चन जो टाइप ऑफ टॉपिक्स that you practice for RC, make sure that it is spread over different types of themes and language and etc.
So not of the B schools to be applied before the CAT happens. Of course, one is MDI Gurgaon because they would not reopen the window. They are closing on 22nd of November, and one could be SPN, which is again there's a history of not reopening. These are the two probably I would recommend strongly for people to apply before they go for CAT.
Do watch the entire video, whatever exams you may take. In fact, beyond exams, it might be helpful for your life. And do join us on the 7th of November at 7 p.m. sharp on Enhancing Quant Scores.